Hey everyone, the Aaeon UP Edge lineup represents the company's latest push into compact, industrial-grade computing, offering a family of micro PCs built for edge deployments, automation, and embedded use cases. Known for its reliability in industrial environments, Aaeon has expanded its UP series with 4 new models, each designed to deliver a balance of performance, efficiency, and flexible I/O. Although pricing has not yet been revealed, the focus is clearly on enterprise and professional clients, with inquiries handled directly through Aaeon. The lineup starts with the UP TWL Edge and the ultra-compact UP TWLS Edge, 2 new PCs that emphasize a tiny footprint without sacrificing core functionality. These models can be configured with Intel's latest low-power processors, including the 8-core Intel Core 3N355 and the more modest Intel N250 and N150 options. The N355 sits at the top, offering multi-core performance comparable to the older Core i5-10300H, which is a notable achievement for a chip designed with low power consumption in mind. Despite their ultra-small design, the TWL Edge and TWLS Edge provide a practical range of connectivity. The standard TWL Edge includes Gigabit Ethernet, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, HDMI 1.4b, and 8-pin GPIO and COM ports for integration with industrial hardware. The slimmer TWLS Edge sacrifices the COM and GPIO interfaces in favor of an even more compact body, making it suitable for deployments where size matters more than extensive I/O. For users who require more horsepower and expansion capabilities, Aaeon offers the UP² TWL Edge and UP² Pro TWL Edge. These models are larger and built for heavier workloads, bringing more robust specifications and several enhancements over the entry-level units. The UP² Pro in particular expands connectivity with 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, including 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C, while adding features tailored for advanced edge deployments. The Pro version's M2 expansion slot supports AI acceleration modules, which is becoming increasingly important in modern edge computing where AI inference workloads are common. It also includes a SATA port for dedicated storage options and adds COM ports along with a full 40-pin GPIO header for industrial interfaces. The non-Pro UP² model still delivers an impressive amount of versatility in a compact 9.5 by 9.5 by 5.5 centimeters chassis. It features dual gigabit LAN ports, dual COM interfaces, and 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, along with an M.22230 slot for networking modules and an M.22280 slot for storage. The design remains small enough for easy installation in tight industrial spaces, with the slim variants of the lineup reducing height even further to just 3.8 centimeters. Although Aaeon has not disclosed availability or pricing yet, the UP Edge family is clearly aimed at system integrators and enterprises that require scalable edge PCS with long-term reliability. Pricing will likely vary depending on configuration and order volume, as is common for industrial hardware. For typical consumers or hobbyists, more mainstream mini PCs, such as models powered by high-performance APUs like the Ryzen 7-based Beelink SCR9 Pro AI, may offer better value and broader everyday usability. The Aaeon UP Edge series, however, remains a strong option for professional edge computing needs. With its mix of compact design, modern Intel processors, and flexible industrial I/O, it reinforces Aaeon's reputation as a dependable supplier of purpose-built computing solutions designed to operate reliably in demanding environments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.